Hey everybody, this is Bridgit Danner from Women's Wellness Collaborative. Today I have the easiest recipe ever for homemade air freshener. So a lot of the air fresheners that you get in the store have fragrance and maybe other chemicals to keep the fragrance lasting longer, and you don't want any of that in your body. You don't want to be breathing it, you don't want it to be landing on you. Anytime you see the word fragrance or perfume, it's a cocktail of endocrine disrupting chemicals. And women love great smelling stuff and guys do too. So that's fine, but we gotta have it natural, right? So super easy. Just get an empty spray bottle. You could use one you already had, or this little one I got at Target in the little travel section. Fill it with water, and then add some drops of your favorite essential oil. This is a blend I really love called Citrus Bliss. It's kind of invigorating, and it's kind of my go-to for scents for cleaning in the bathroom. So yeah, we'll just take it over here. This one was already kind of made, but I'll refresh it. Literally easiest thing ever. Just fill it with water. And you don't really need a lot of drops. I just kind of give it a generous sprinkling. And then my only little advice is that before you use it, shake it and then just spray. So, if you want one by the toilet, or if you want one in the kitchen, if you were cooking something stinky for sports gear, whatever it is. My son's teacher apparently sprays fragrance in the classroom every day, and it's artificial. My son was telling me some of the kids are saying they're getting headaches. And that's not good. So I'm gonna have to make her a few versions of different scents and give these to her as a gift. Super easy replacement to have a cleaner, safer home. And you can buy these oils from us through our doTERRA shop. If you become a wholesale member, it's like $25 and you save 25% on everything for a whole year. So it's a great deal. We'd love to have you, and we'd love to teach you more things. So you can subscribe to this channel, you can join our newsletter, we run different specials, and we're teaching all the time. Thanks for learning with us.